Hi guys, howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Hi guys, today I will be drawing a character from this book. It's called Dogman, if you have heard about it. That's great. I like Dogman books. But we're gonna draw a character from Dogman. It's not Dogman, okay guys? It's not Dogman. I need to pay you something. I don't know, somewhere else. This thing. Okay. So first you're gonna draw a simple circle. So okay. So you're gonna just draw a circle like that. Like that. Then you're going to draw another circle by it. Okay? Simple. Okay? Then you're going to put eyelashes like that. These circles. Don't get them. Don't go like that. Okay. Then you're going to put like a round. So like this. Like that. Not a perfect circle. It doesn't have to be. And then do this. Put freckles on it. If you don't want to put freckles on it, just don't. But I'm just gonna follow the directions and do it on the other side. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 on it. Or more. I don't care. Then put a little circle down here. Then put a triangle like a type. Like that, and then do it on the other side. Like that. Then make a okay, and then like that. So put a hand in like that. And okay. Stop! I'm lying. There we go. Now we're
Alright, we're good.
like that. Put a hand like that. Then put 2 lips.
That's it for your treats.
Legs. Then webbed feet. There.
Yeah.
And
Do you not have your...
that's technically all you need to do, guys. I hope you, and his name is, I will put it up.
We'll put it in the description below, too.
His name is Orangeman. I hope you enjoyed this, thing, and subscribe, like, and enjoy the video. Goodbye!